This was all your idea. Ikaw may pakanan ng lahat ng ito. At kayo naman dalawa, kinonsinti nyo, sumakay pa kayo sa kahibangan itong nanay ninyo.
Please don't call the police. Please. Please.
Huwag mo sabihin na hulog na yung loob mo dyan sa babae ni Simeon.
Ito nga ginagatasan ko, ng impormasyon. Wala pa rin kamalay-malay.
Oh, ano na naman ang kailangan mo?
Inawarningan lang kita. Natanggap kasi ako ng impormasyon na tinitiktikan ka daw ni Simeon.
Nagkakausap kayo ulit. You two are friends again. Then maybe you can help me.
We have to move fast. And even worse, now we have to contend with Simeon. We have to worry about him. We're leaving tonight.
It's about your grandchild, Jennifer. Alam ko kung saan siya naroon. She's with Ingrid.
Wala pa si Daddy eh. Ha? Hi. Ma, wala pa si Stanley. He's not even answering my phone calls. Hindi pa kami nagkakausap.
Oh, don't worry about that, Kate. He'll come over. I'll play Liz in a few hours. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Sige, left. Oh.
Mag-ingat po sa biyahe.
Oh, salamat. Oh.